What's going on, everybody? I'm Justin from Harness Power. We just got done installing this 12-panel, 3.7 kilowatt system, flat roof install. So the best thing about an install such as this one here is that we're actually able to tilt the panels up and orient them in a way where we're capturing the most ideal, highest efficiency sun hours for the day. It's a super simple, quick install. So the BPS crew was able to get this system installed in just over 4 hours, a very quick install. The previous company that Mike had talked to about doing solar on this portion of the roof about 5 years ago told him that the roof wouldn't qualify, and that's something that we were able to make happen with Harness. From now, in about a couple weeks, these homeowners, Mike and Pat Baker, they're going to be generating their own power from the sun, and they're going to be spending a lot less than what they were previously with SDG&E.